are constantly faced with challenges and adversity. Moments which force us to assess both our physical and mental capabilities. A relentless grind that tests even the strongest of minds. Tests in which we must face in order to succeed. But every person has a wall. A wall that encourages failure. A wall that dominates our thinking with negativity and plagues us with doubt. The wall is our enemy, a nemesis, a battle within. It hides from you strength and confidence, pride and belief. No matter the challenge, you can face your wall and overcome it. To beat it with resilience, determination and courage. No matter what it is. Believe in yourself, and you will endeavour.